Alert forecast.
And there is the view as seen from Carter Mountain as we look off to the west here on what has been a very warm and humid and somewhat stormy Wednesday afternoon. We are not done with more showers and storms here tonight. We'll go right to First Alert Doppler radar and show you some of the activity that's out there. That's the latest batch that continues to impact the region, lifting off to the north and east. There's been some general weakening with some of these cells, with few exceptions. We'll zoom in a little closer. This is generally light to some moderate rain here across much of Albemarle County, city of Charlottesville, out toward Lake Monticello. We'll go a little farther north, some heavier downpours north of Criglersville, and that working up toward Skyline Drive and deeper into the Blue Ridge Mountains. As we go a little farther south and east, this is south and east of Louisa, out toward 522 in eastern Louisa County, Jackson, Gum Spring, along 250 and I-64. Then we go back to the west. Things have temporarily stopped raining from Waynesboro to Fishersville to Stanton, still raining there in Crozet. However, there's another batch of showers and storms that aren't too far away down the 81 corridor. Matter of fact, this is a severe thunderstorm warning for Botetourt County, and there's actually been some flood advisories just north of Roanoke. So that until 7 o'clock, that's moving off to the northeast into Rockbridge County. We'll keep an eye on that as it heads toward Augusta County over the next hour or so. So there's a wider perspective of what's happening. Again, there's been numerous rounds of some showers and thunderstorms. There is a warm front just off to our north. That has been the impetus for a couple of tornado warnings this afternoon. The overall severe risk is fairly low. It's not zero, but it is fairly low. The main threat with storms would be damaging wind gusts, potential for some hail. Can't completely rule out a tornado, and of course any area could see some localized potential flooding, but overall the severe threat is low, but something to keep an eye on. Temperatures right now are in the 70s to low 80s. We made afternoon highs pretty much in the upper 70s and low 80s this afternoon. Regional temperatures are much the same, but we look at the dew point. Again, that's a better measure of moisture content in the atmosphere at any given time. And of course, during the spring and summer months and the fall, when you get numbers that exceed 65 degrees or higher, you're in the 70s, that's moisture air that you can wear, and you certainly feel that stepping out. So temperatures tonight won't fall off all that much, upper 60s, low 70s. Most of the showers and storms before midnight. Tomorrow is sort of a transition day. The actual cold front should come through between midday and early afternoon, and that, before it crosses, could give rise to a few showers and storms. We're still in the mid 80s. The threat tomorrow for severe weather, although low like tonight, is low, marginal, 1 on the scale of 1 to 5, mainly a damaging wind threat. And again, as we look into Friday and Saturday, temperatures drop off. More importantly, the humidity drops off as well. The actual cold front is east of Chicago here tonight. That'll be slicing through here midday tomorrow. So still some showers and thunderstorms mainly before midnight. In the morning, some cloudiness, maybe a shower. We get closer toward 12, 1, 3 o'clock. You start to see a few storms. They strengthen farther south and east of the region, and then the humidity begins to drop. It'll be a pleasant day on Friday, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So some scattered showers and storms around tonight, upper 60s, low 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A nice Friday shaping up. The humidity levels drop off, and the weekend looking good. Could have a return of some storms late Sunday, and they'll continue as we move into early next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. A record number of ticks are expected